What's up, guys? Today is a pretty special day if you couldn't already tell by the thumbnail and title of this video. We're going to pick up my dad's very first car. It's a 1972 Mach 1 Mustang. I feel like I've been waiting for this moment my whole life and it's finally here. But to get ready for the trip, I did do some maintenance to the old Duramax here. We replaced a front wheel hub that was loose and seemed to be going out, and I installed these sick new helper bags on the rear to make the ride as smooth as possible. So now all we gotta do is pick up my dad and brother and hit the road. So let's get it.
Yes, you get the dollies too.
Let's say these are badass.
Am I good right there?
Yeah, should be. I didn't feel right. It's the main.
Jack up right back. Yeah. Floor jack under the 9-inch, rear end, center. Jack it up. You gotta promise me that at some point in your life, after you get this thing running, you exceed my record with the number of speeding tickets.
Oh, yeah.
In a week.
In a week.
How many did you get? Seriously, did you get? 3? Did you?
3? In a week? Damn.
The only ticket I ever got in that thing was I got pulled over for the license plate light, expired inspection sticker. That's it.
Really?
I went to my father's one time in it, and I got a ticket coming back on about 71. And then I picked Irene up and we went to Willard. First time was going to let us.
A lot. Okay.
Yeah, he's got about 6 inches on this side, not 4. Yeah, y'all are about the same. Yeah. Whoa. Good? Good? Shit, you just about put me in the back of the truck. I didn't realize how long it is. We need to go back?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
no. No, it's all the way up front. Shit.
It is?
Yeah.
It's past there. It's past the damn.
What's up, guys? We are back in the shop. We got the Mach 1, and man, I know she looks a little rough to most of y'all, but believe it or not, we do have all the parts for this car. We just had to go back and get them all. But I mean, we have all the panels, the motor. It's in 1,000 pieces, but we do have the motor, transmission, all the interior pieces, and everything for us to start working on this car and putting it back together. Now, the real goal with this car is just to be a nice, fun weekend cruiser. It's not going to be anything too crazy, showroom quality. I do want to be presentable and we to take pride in our work with it, but really just a fun car all around. It's going to have the same 351 Cleveland that it came with. Going to be nothing too crazy performance-wise. It's going to be just a fun project between me, my dad, brother, and my father-in-law is going to help us with the body work and the paint. So if y'all want to see more of this car, please like, subscribe for the build process, and just follow along. It's going to be a fun project. I've definitely never taken on a project this big before, but I believe between all of us, we'll get it done, and it'll be a fun car. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more of it.